So what's up guys, you can see I broke a rim and I gotta replace it. So you can see here I got the new rim, and yeah, so I don't know how I broke this. I guess the cold, made it like brittle or something. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna boil this tire to to melt that glue, and then I could be able to remove the rim and then install the new one. So let's do that. And to cool it down, I'm just going to put some cold water on it. Much better. Okay, so once the tire is hot, you just want to it's very hot actually. I just want to take the rim out. Oh, it's very hot. So yeah. Look at all the steam that's coming out. Yeah, this tire was very hard. Nice. Okay, as you can see here I have the new rim, and here I have the tire and the foam. I did my best to dry up the foam, and the tire's still wet, but I will dry that up. So obviously we gotta put the foam in there first. So let me do that now. So put up the tire, just put it in there, like so. Nice, nice, nice. There you go. Make sure everything's nice and neat in there. And actually, let me dry the edges. Let me actually dry the whole tire. Okay, as you can see, the tire is nicely glued, and yeah, I ran out of glue, and the glue was in the greatest shape, so that's why I have some blobs of glue, but it's still pretty good. So let's take this nut off. So let's use this. Let's see if I can do it. There you go. Hold on, guys. There you go. It's pretty hard, actually. So let's take the old rim off. And put the little in there. Nice. Then let's just put the nut back on there. And we are ready to go, I guess. Yeah, there you go. Nice. And yeah, I think I've done this 2 times. You can see the foam. I had to replace it too. So I hope the other ones aren't like that too. Just pretty good. Well, that's it for the video, I guess. Bye for now.